Hey guys, welcome back. This is how we left the room off last time we were working on redecorating my workspace. So all we have left to do right now is put the items that I have ready to hang on this wall, and then I'm going to move the bookcase in here and start working on decorating this background wall with my gallery wall pieces. But let's get this bookcase in here first. So this is where I'm leaving off with the bookcase. I might add some more pieces later on because it does seem like there's a big empty space on this top shelf, but we'll see what happens. And I do like putting my books sideways and creating piles of stacks of books. I think it adds a lot of height and it fills out the shelves more completely. And then I can kind of sneak in some decorative pieces, like I have my organizer of makeup palettes on one side here and a skeleton full of lip balms, which is, you know, the classic decorative piece in every home. My live-in handyman was kind enough to come upstairs and put anchors in the wall for me so that I could hang these two framed pieces that go together for my mom's star. And then in between these two, I have this coffin-shaped guitar hanger, which I'm so excited about, that I'm going to hang my ukulele from. I bought myself a black ukulele for my birthday so that I can practice the ukulele on something a little bit more distinguished than one bought at the airport 20 years ago. This is another piece that used to belong to my mother. I don't remember her ever having this hung in the house anywhere, but it was in one of her boxes of storage that I had to go through recently. And I really like it, but I'm not a fan of this glass piece on the front. So I was messing around with it to see if it was removable, and luckily it is, and I like it so much better without. So I'm going to put these knobs back in and hang it like this. This is my first time attempting to hang a gallery wall with actual intent in the spacing and where things are placed. So I found this trick on Pinterest, I believe, where you trace each of your pieces and have just a paper cutout of each frame that you want to hang up so that you can get a good idea of the spacing and layout before you put any nails in. I mentioned last week how I needed a corner piece for my desk to get that leg out of the center because I keep banging my knee onto it and it's so annoying. But unfortunately, IKEA now has the legs in stock, but the corner piece tabletops have been out of stock. So I kind of got fed up with waiting for IKEA to get things in stock, and Chase is going to take me to Menards and we are going to build this darn thing from scratch. Save big money at Menards. This is what we've got going on. So we glued the two pieces together and they've been clamped overnight. Chase is at work right now, so as soon as he gets home, we're just going to cut a diagonal spot so that it fits into a corner nicely. And we might also cut like just a tiny diagonal on the opposite corner, so that we've got somewhere for like cords to go through. And then I'm going to cover it in contact paper and put the legs on. I wanted to match the thickness of my other two IKEA tabletops, so that's why we glued the two together. Chase did an amazing job matching the IKEA dimensions perfectly. So all that's left to do is put the legs on and get this in the house. Thanks, Chase. Man, this thing was heavy, but here it is in all its glory. I hope this is the last time I alter this desk setup because this is becoming too frequent. I'm just going to cover this with contact paper and I'll see you in a sec. Okay, Chase, you ready to build my computer?
Yeah, it'll be done in 3, 2, 1. Magic.
Chase is so proud of those transitions. Leave a comment letting Chase know how great of an idea those transitions were. So this is the finished room. I can't believe we're finally here. It's been about a month of working on this, but I still can't believe how quickly we got it all done. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. Now I'm going to go find my assistant because he's not where he's supposed to be. Okay, go.
Magic. 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 Magic.
One more time.
Magic.
Can you not do the magic thing? Just clap and then, like, look at me and smile?